So this is the hotel where I have been staying. I couldn't take it on the first day as it was raining heavily. Today it's sunny, fingers crossed. I hope it stays like this. And today I'm en route to the other places in Visakhapatnam. Follow me. So coming down here from the stairs, from the park, this is the view that we are getting, and trust me, you cannot resist yourself from going down. Come. Hi. This is a lovely beach full of rocks. I came here through the Vuda parks, Visakhapatnam Urban Development Authority. They have a park here where you can swim and you can jog, obviously. And from there is this entrance to this beach and the rocks here, which is really lovely to see. You can see the whole horizon and the rocks. You can sit, stand, slip, whatever. I was scared. Hello there. So this is the famous Yarada beach. As we can see, the hills are kissing the sea, and the sea is obviously enjoying it. The sea here is wonderful. The sea here is very, very deep, so it's dangerous to swim here. So I'll stay here and enjoy my moments. You do too. Lighthouse where the ships are being signaled at night. It is open till 5 for the normal public. And upstairs, no mobile is allowed. So I'll see you after. And this is a wonderful view we get from the back side of the lighthouse. From top of the lighthouse, it's all the more beautiful, but we can't use mobiles there. So Visakhapatnam Fishing Harbour is considered as one of the largest fishing harbours in India, and you can get a wonderful view of the Bay of Bengal too. It is spread over an area of 26 hectares, and it is under the control of Visakhapatnam Port Trust. Wow. If you are a fish lover, this is absolutely the right place for you. There are so many variety of fishes available. You can't help shopping. Hi guys, so after the wonderful Vizag tour, I am now at the Visakhapatnam station. I'm going to Jagalpur and I'm going to avail the train, the express train, Vizag Kirandul Express. And God, I got the name right, Vizag Kirandul Express, and it's 800 to 900 bucks per ticket. I'm availing the 2 AC. I got my food and water, and I'll be going to platform 5. And the most important thing is that this Visakhapatnam station, it's really clean. And you can see behind me, it's so clean. The floors and everything are so beautiful. You can even see your face, your own reflection. And it's not very busy a station, but everything is very clean and nice. I like this. So let's board the train. Visakhapatnam Express. I'm getting on and have my food. I have to eat and then go to sleep, and then tomorrow morning we'll see where Jagalpur. In the next episode, you will get to see the wonderful Tiratgarh waterfalls and the Chitrakoot waterfalls. If you like the video, please hit the like and share button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and leave your comments. Till then, Travlalala.